what's up, guys? I'm the autistic. What's up, my proud people out there? I am the autistic guy. And today I'm going to be reacting to Ronald McDonald Chicken Store Massacre. But before we do that, we need to make sure that this is kind of turned down a bit.
And beware of gore.
So yeah, here we go. So you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. There we go.
Since we've actually opened up next door to our McDonald's store, Ronald McDonald's actually been sending us death threats, telling us he's gonna big fuck us up, and that he's gonna big fuck clickety chicken up the ass. We've been open for 4 days, and already there's been at least 6 death threats. Just shows you how Ronald is actually doing it.
Well, he's dead. You're almost close to the door, too. And that's why you gotta make sure that the grease is out there. Cause of that.
Clean it up.
Oh no. Come on, get to the door. It's not that hard to just get to the... Why did you even look that way? You're not supposed to look that way. Just keep on looking at the door and then keep on... Well, it's too late. You're screwed now. See? You're gone.
Wait.
Oh no. Well, he's gone too.
Well.
They don't actually do that though. It's just they're just doing behind the scenes,
so
they make it look like they're actually doing it, but they're not.
Look at how long this video was.
Yeah, I know. No! No! No!
Wait.
No! What just happened?
This only was 3 minutes.